let's work on the template that will be used to display a list of products. So we have it here, product list, and it has like the title, the list, the sidebar, and then it also has optional subcategories that might be displayed. So let's get started by taking care of displaying the products. So we need to select the appropriate element that kind of encapsulates the I have this off, like the toggle visual helpers. This is sometimes useful if the borders get in the way. Just toggle them, switch them off, switch them back on. So we have this row, and I guess this looks like a good place for our function, for our action. But first we have to activate WordPress on this theme, so no need to do that. But we need to go to page settings. And we will export this page as WooCommerce archive product, so show list of products. And this template is used like for the main shop page, for categories, for search results. So it's very, very useful. And it is again using the default master page index HTML. Okay, so let's go back to where we were. So here, this is the row that contains the products, and here we will add show products action. Here it is, and it will display the main loop, and so that means like the products returned by WordPress engine or WooCommerce engine. So we don't really want to know about from where they came, either from search or category view or whatever. We'll just display them. And layout mode, to keep things simpler and to give us more freedom, let's use freestyle. And difference is similar like we had with single product. So with hooks, we just define the templates, but the actual positioning of elements is controlled by actions and functions hooked to various WooCommerce actions. But so that we get more immediate control over everything, not just how elements look, but also where they are positioned, we will use freestyle mode. Okay, so classes for the first item, nothing special. Ranges of item, like we'll show everything. Loop structure. So items container, that's the container that contains all the items and that is shown if the products are found. Be here, but actually this element itself, it kind of functions as the items container, so we don't need to select anything here. And repeated loop item is the first column div, the first div element. Okay, define no products found template. We can leave this for a moment, but it would let us select the element that will represent the template that is shown if no products are found. Okay, so now this is very similar to what we did with upsells and related products. So now we have to actually show the information. So product link and the image, not the image gallery, but the thumbnail. And again, we will just use the templates that we already defined, so show only. Another, this is the product categories. We will use, there are no templates for this, so we just defined what we want. And again, the product link and the product title. This is again the template, and we'll just show it. Price, product price, show the template, and flash, cell flash, show the template, show only. And the rest of these columns are just placeholders, so we will say don't export, right? And let's try. Let's export the theme and go to our shop. And let's click on accessories that display this. Oh wow, and here it is, you see, our list of products. Of course, like these elements and the sidebar, and this is still hard-coded, but the actual list of elements is live. So we will do, like, we'll take the top, maybe this, and breadcrumbs, and the title. Let's do that in the next video. Oh, you see, another thing, something is a bit strange, and now who can guess what we forgot to do? It's something to do with master pages. So our master page says that only the content of the main is controlled by the child pages. And take a look at this. So let's see, what do we have on main here? We have nothing. So if we don't explicitly set the site content, then Pinegro will assume that the body element is the site content, and the whole of the body will be controlled by the child page. So this information has to match. So if master page says the main is the site content, then the child pages should kind of do the same, say the same. So they should be on the same page regarding that. Yeah. So let's add site content, and let's try again. And you see the extra navbar disappeared, and also I'm sure there was an extra footer down here that's also gone. So now everything looks fine. Okay, see you in the next video.